what we deliver when you shoot, right? The question was, there is this bride of this photographer friend who is requesting all files and also the raw files. A sticky point for every photographer. I mean, it should be a sticky point for you also, because here at Forged by Clay, we do not give raw files. And two things: we don't give raw files, and the files that are not supposed to go out to the world, they never go out to the world, right? So we usually deliver, no wedding, we deliver about 100 images per hour, but we shoot way more. All of those images that never make the cut, nobody sees those images unless I'm using them as an educational tool. Then I will use one of them. But if there's a bad composition or bad lighting or closed eyes or whatever it is, nobody sees those images. So the answer to this question is no. We don't deliver, we don't give raw files, and no, brides, groom, engaged couples, high school senior, whatever it is you shoot, no, they're not going to see every single image. No, they will not. Okay, and that is made clear when they sign the contract. When we have our consultation, the language is, you are going to receive all the usable files, and who decides what is usable or not is me. It is my photography. I shot it, so I know what are the files that look better. We all are expert on what we do.